Here we go. So guys, as you can see, I am 54 feet up under a townhouse out by the lake. In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we've made a couple of repairs here. We actually got called out because the floor was rising. A foundation company, Williamson Foundation out of Rockwall, that we actually do work for, called us and said, hey look, our neighbor is having a problem. Can you come help her out? So we talked to her, we came out and looked at it. We did a sewer water test, the sewer test failed. Luckily the water test passed, but coming up under this house, we saw previous work where the other plumbing company had come in and stopped about 3 feet shy of replacing every branch line. My question is, if you're gonna tunnel 30 feet up under a house, why not go 3 more feet and get everything? If you're gonna tunnel 50 feet up under a house, why not pick 2 or 3 spots to go 3 or 4 feet further and do it right? So what we've had to do is come in and tie on right up to where they went to and go a little bit further to do it right. Guys, check this video out because we are actually up under a house making repairs, not just me, but I brought the video crew with me. Angle's gonna be fun. We're gonna have to take a hammer to this and break it, and then we can pull this out. tip is a 3-inch 10 and 7/8 inches long. Guys, this is what plumbing is all about. So my question to you is, have you ever had to do a sewer repair like this? Tunneling up under the house, replacing old pipe, whether it's cast iron or PVC, because we've had to do both. Have you ever had to do that? I hope not, because I'm telling you, if you have, I hope it wasn't on your house. Guys, this is one of the most costly plumbing repairs that there is. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you know anybody that's a real estate agent or they're thinking about buying a house, share this video with them. Let them see what they could be getting into. And all it takes is a very simple test when buying the house. Perform that sewer water test, and we've got videos here about it. We can show you how it's done. It's not really hard. It just takes the time to do it. But anyway, share it with somebody you think it might be able to help. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.